Welcome to United by Trucks. I'm Robbie, and you guys wanted more TTR? Well, we're bringing it to you. So I was just sitting inside working on some other footage. I have not told y'all this, but I left a GoPro with TTR, Two Trucks Ron, after we did the Pecos LS swap. And he's finally picked it up and started using it. So I got a couple of videos coming from TTR, and we're gonna start making this a regular thing. But the first one is a question he gets asked a lot. Why do we call him Two Trucks Ron? Well, in this video, you're gonna find out.
Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me now? I lost my train of thought. Terrible. Back in the garage today. Robbie, cool enough to leave a GoPro with me. That way there, you can see what I'm up to on semi-daily basis. I don't know that I'll be working on something every day, but today just happens to be the day that I plan to put the new rear end into Pecos. But I've got a lot of questions lately about Two Trucks Ron. What is your second truck? So, I'm going to go over that today, show you guys what I'm working with, let you know kind of what the plan is. Might wing it, might not. When it's all said and done, it'll be super cool. Daily driver, tow rig, that kind of stuff. So here is my second truck. It is a 2004 2500 HD. Just regular cab, long bed, work truck, manual windows, manual locks. Nothing special really. Just when I had my 67 last year, I wanted something that I could tow with, that would be really reliable, something that, you know, I could park anywhere, not have to really worry about dents, dings, scratches, that sort of stuff. So I looked for one of these, went and saw this one, checked it out, bought it. This one is a 6.0 4L80, only two-wheel drive. I don't really need four-wheel drive, so this one fit the bill, and I thought if it's two-wheel drive, if it ever got totaled out, I'd have another donor in the driveway. So I scooped this up. The only thing I've really done is I tinted the windows. You can see vinyl floors, nothing crazy. I did take the headliner out just because it needs to be redone. It was sagging. Drop that off at the upholstery shop, get them to redo that. And I added tow mirrors. The first thing I really did was level them out. And that was it. Cranked up the torsion bars a little bit just to make it match the back. Nothing crazy. Let's see, under the hood, it's all stock exhaust, stock 6.0, nothing crazy. Just like I said, something hydro boost setup, just something that I could daily drive if I ever had to tow something, more than enough to tow it with, not have to worry about it. So not really sure what I want to do with it yet. If anything, I'd like to stick with like budget stuff, you know, stuff that Craigslist, Facebook, forums, you know, just stuff like that, parts that other people are selling, just to try to put into this. That way there, I still keep a lot of money for Pecos. But first thing we got to do is, if you notice, there is some damage on it. Before we went up to Chattanooga earlier this year, I got rear-ended. Lady hit me, I hit the car in front of me. So first off, I got to get a bumper, tailgate, and then the pickup box actually hit the cab corners, so I need to get that straightened up, and then probably have to get a new grill, it's cracked, and then probably readjust the front bumper, get a new lower valence, and all that good stuff. But like I said, with that is the second truck for Two Trucks Ron. Should turn out pretty cool. I do know that I want to put exhaust on it, so we'll do that. Like I said, I figured I'd show everybody what we got, and then I'm gonna swap some cars around, and we're going to put the rear end under Pecos today.
Alright guys, so I hope y'all really enjoyed that footage from Ron. Just a little bit of intro footage where he's talking about his HD, the reason we call him Two Trucks Ron. He's always had a couple of different trucks, and most of the time he's at least got two, so we just call him Two Trucks Ron. We're gonna have a lot more footage where Ron is just bringing you footage straight from his garage, whether he's working on Pecos or the HD, or some other truck, whatever he's working on, building an LS motor, who knows. So we're gonna bring you that footage as much as we can. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely smash a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing right here on United by Trucks, and definitely leave a comment. Let Ryan know what you think about his footage and how he is behind the camera when nobody else is around. We think he did a great job, and we're gonna keep bringing this content. Thanks for tuning in to United by Trucks. We'll catch you next time. Cue the music.